You see, elections are fairly emotional, and when you look at all the various districts of Uganda, and remember that each district has its own structures from village, sub-county, coming all the way to the district. It's a fairly, very difficult job to do for the Electoral Commission. In my own opinion, I think and I believe that they have done fairly well. However, there are quite a number of challenges that have been exposed, and with each election that they conduct, I think these lessons are picked and learned, and I think that there is room for improvement, but by and large, compared to the number of candidates and the number of polling stations that were handled, I think, given the circumstances, it was a fair job. Quite a number of programs that I am thinking of, and amongst them is access, lobbying for access to cheap funding, because most of the biggest problem for most of the businessmen and women is access to finance. People have entrepreneurial ideas, but the challenge is accessing finance. Getting money from the commercial banks is extremely tedious, is very complex, and is fairly expensive currently. So we also have and hope to introduce the program of financial literacy, and we hope that there are quite another number of programs helping entrepreneurs, develop cottage industry and creation of linkages between production facilities and markets. So the plan is there, and at an opportune time